Hey guys, I got another review for you. It is the Hamilton Beach microwave. I don't know why I'm reviewing a microwave. I don't have a plate for it, so I'm going to get this one. 900, 900 watts. And it is also express cook. So if I press 2, it's going to cook. But if I press time cooked, I can press 2, 5, 6. Then I can just. Never mind. Oh wait. Oh. Huh? I don't know. Oh, start. I'm dumb. So if I want to press time cooked 2, 9, 6. It's cooking. Then press this button. Stop it. Clear. It is 7:20. 7:24. Right, time change. It's weird, I know. And I like the color and everything. It was in the garage. It was all nasty. We cleaned it. And it works perfectly. I mean, perfectly. And yes, I would recommend this microwave. And this is all the options. So you can take a look at it. Focus, stupid. Okay. And yeah, that's the Hamilton Cook. And yeah. Yeah, hold on right quick. Did y'all think I was really gonna do that? Did y'all really think I was gonna do that? Nah, I wouldn't do that. Alright, hopefully you enjoyed. Remember that time I said enjoyed or something? That was funny. But I recommend this microwave, and I got a lamp too. Always stay. Oh, wait a minute, hold on. I wish this game could hurry up so I could play it. Can it say retarded? Yeah, I can, yeah. Arc. A retarded kitchen. A retarded kitchen. Or something. Ready to start, but it won't let me play it. Oh, it's a dead island, that's fun. But yeah. Always stay cool. Bye.